various etiologies. There are so many causes of acute pancreatitis. But the most common cause of acute pancreatitis is overall is most common gallstone. Second most common cause of acute pancreatitis is alcoholism. And the most common cause in children is secondary to trauma. There are so many drugs which causes acute pancreatitis like thiazide and antipsychotic drugs, clozapine and antidepressant SSRIs, and there are so many causes. And so it is characterized by the revised Atlantis classification. So diagnosis is made on the basis of three things. First thing, the first criteria consists of there should be presence of abdominal pain in the epigastric region. First. Second thing, it will include that there should be increase in amylase and lipase level more than 3 to 4 times. Third criteria includes any positive radiological diagnosis. So sir, revised Atlanta score said that out of 3, there should be 2 criteria which should be positive to make any diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. So in my case, there is presence of sign and symptom accompanied with a positive radiological investigation, but there is a normal amylase and lipase level. Sir, I will tell the case report. A 39-year-old male presented with complaint of abdominal pain, which is sudden in onset and severe epigastric sharp radiating to his back.
किस conclusion पे पहुंचे?
Yes, sir. So the result conclude that the patient is having the sharp epigastric pain, which is radiating to back and relieved on bending forward. And sir, but when the clinician proceed to the lab diagnosis, which is the standard serum amylase and lipase level, it came to be normal, sir. But we have a positive radiological finding, sir. Ultrasound abdomen reveals some fatty filtration of liver, but normal gallbladder and biliary tract. So, sir, we usually make diagnosis through CT scan. So, CT scan abdomen showed fat standing around the pancreas. So, sir, in CT scan score, according to it, it comes under grade 2. Grade 1 includes focal or enlargement of the pancreas. Grade 0. Grade 1 include the peripancreatic infiltration or peripancreatic lipid deposition, which comes under, which suggests a diagnosis of pancreatitis. But sir, his serum also, we have gone to the lab and the serum was reported to be lipemic in nature, the serum which we processed. But the values were sir normal in amylase and lipase.
Any other reference you checked for some type of study?
Sir, actually, this is a very rare cause. I've checked. This is a very rare case. More than 95% of the patient, the amylase and lipase level are very normal, because we know more than amylase, lipase level is more normal because of the reason lipase is
available है कि नहीं?
So 1 to 2 references are there in PubMed, and I have. Yes sir. Yes sir. Indian study में. Sir, ये कहते हैं कि it's a very rare cause, but it can happen. So always focus on the mostly focus on the clinical diagnosis than anything else. But Atlanta score only told at least 2 things should be positive. Sir, clinical sign was positive. Also, according with that, radiological findings. So we came to build a diagnosis. In fact, these serum levels are low.
जब आप कोई भी काम करते हो तो बिना ऑब्जेक्टिव ही करते हो तो वेयर इज ऑब्जेक्टिव? कोई भी आप केस स्टडी कर रहे हो तो कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव तो रहते हैं।
केस रिपोर्ट बनाया था।
नेक्स्ट किस टाइम?
थैंक यू सर।